Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. So a new update is coming to Aiomatic and it will bring webhook support for OmniBlocks. So check Aiomatic, it is linked in this video's description, and let me show you this new feature in action. And before anything else, I want to tell you that this was suggested by you guys, so keep dropping the ideas in the comment section of this video and I will be reading them and also integrating them in the plugin if I find them to be useful. So the new feature of OmniBlocks, which will be able to be integrated with webhooks, I will show you this in Zapier. So let me create a quick zap here in Zapier and let's set up a new zap. And the trigger will be webhook. So webhooks by Zapier, and I will not do any action. I will only test the hook just to make this quick. So we can use event catch hook and we can continue, pick off a child key. Let us skip this. You can set up this as you wish, but in this case let me just test the functionality of this feature. So also in OmniBlocks, let's go and set up a new OmniBlock, and in the latest version of the plugin you will be able to use the send to a webhook OmniBlock. And if you select this, send to a webhook OmniBlock will appear here, and it will be able to be used or by clicking the add OmniBlock button. And let me set this up to not use anything else excepting AI text OmniBlock and a webhook which will be called OmniBlock. So in the AI text, say hello. The AI prompt, I say that to the AI that it should say hello, and I will actually not use the keyword that I set up here. If I would use the keyword, I would do like this. I would use this shortcode, but in this case let's go with the default, only say hello. I tell the AI to say hello, and in the webhook, let's copy the URL that Zapier is giving to us and paste it here. So this is the webhook URL. The method can be post, get, put, delete. So it can be any methods from what you can select here. In this case, we can go with get maybe or post. So it's okay. Content type can be JSON or form data. Let's go with form data or JSON. It's okay because Zapier is listening here, and the template should be let's go with form data actually, because I don't want to write here a JSON, because if I go with the JSON I need to write here a correct JSON format, and this is a bit more complex. So let's go with form data. And let's use the form data template as shown here. It should be key equals greater value. So this is a little arrow and this is the value. So zap me the key arrow combination and the AI text 8 shortcode, which is the result of the previous AI OmniBlock, which should tell us hello. If you want to send more parameters, simply hold down the shift key and hit enter. This will lead you to a new line where you can do similar stuff. But I don't want this right now, and no headers are required. So we can go ahead and save, I guess, because we are good to go. Yeah. So let's save. And now all we have to do is run this zap. So it already finished, and if I move myself out of the way, we can test this. And here it is. The zapme query string got the hello, how can I assist you today text from the AI, which was actually written by this OmniBlock. The result was sent to this OmniBlock, which sent the webhook data to Zapier, and you can see it here. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it works. So request A is sent, and the plugin basically provided the AI generated data directly to Zapier, and in Zapier you can do with it anything you wish. Also, you can use any other webhooks that you may also implement, and this will work. Okay, so give this a try, guys. Let me know what you think about it. And until next time, this is all. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye bye.